Let me show you how to control your PC remotely from your smartphone, or from another PC or laptop. Start by going to Google and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Click on the first link. Click Install at the bottom to download installation file, and add the Google Chrome extension at the top. Follow the instructions by naming your PC and choosing a 6-digit password. Once you've completed the installation process on your PC, the status will change to Online. You now need to pair it with your phone or laptop. On your phone, go to the App Store or Play Store. And download the Chrome Remote Desktop application. Remember to log in with the same email. You should now be able to see your desktop name in the app. Click on it and log in with the same password. Congratulations, you now have full access to your PC from your phone. Clicking on the blue icon allows you to change between trackpad mode and touch mode. You can also show the keyboard for typing. You can see that I can open any folders and programs, and also use the internet or access my bookmarks remotely. To scroll up and down, use 2 fingers next to each other. If they are far apart, you will be zooming in and out. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments.